Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa kunyitanira hari shughuli cia gutabia wa mitambo ya kiidijital kuri maafidhaa a icigo itiganite goko bururi-ini cukuru-ini umwe wa thirikari mucini munene wa Nairobi, Omollo augite mitambo ino igutigira tabarĩra ciothe cia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ciakinyanirio kuhuthira mitambo ino ya kiiriu.
As the State Department for Internal Security and National Administration and the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, having a meeting with all the 8 regional commissioners and the 47 county commissioners. And what we are doing today is launching what we are calling better.
Oho, Mwadiki mukaru uyu Omollo augite ati mubango uyu wa thirikari ya William Ruto ni wa mwanya makiria kuri maafidhaa aya a ward itiganite oro hamwe na athurimi a mihango ya uruti wira wa thirikari kuona ati marirutithagia mitambo ino gutigira utungata kuri muingi ni wakinyanira na njira itari na ungumania.
On a daily basis, when we wake up, we have an idea of what has happened in each and every location in this country. Now, because of times and because of technology, it will be sad if we continue to do that in the traditional format in which it was done. It means that technology would have not benefited us, and also our knowledge would count for nothing.
Imwe ya mihango ya thirikari iria igukorwo ikinyitanirithio na mibango uyu wa kiidijital ni waki wa nyumba cia raithi, gutabia borera kuri arimi aria mateyandikithitie oro hamwe na gutwarithia na mbere kampeni yake ya uhadi wa miti bilioni 15 na mangĩ maingĩ.
It gives me immense pleasure that we have assembled here to continue on the journey that will not only empower and transform the national government administration, but the country as a whole. Through the National Government Coordination Act number 1 of 2013, the national government administration officers are tasked with coordinating national government functions at the county level.
Na rĩu tũkĩingĩre kũrĩa kũrĩ